can see on the upper monitor a wafer map, and what might be difficult to resolve from this distance is the large cross, which is the current measurement site. And once this measurement is finished, I'll go back to the other monitor. We can watch the last measurement. Mike just switched over to the results page where it shows the offset of the overlay measurement. So I'm gonna move back in a little bit. And see the large cross just went to the 5th site. And you can see again as it goes through the measurement program.
The hunting that it's doing at the moment is because the structure of this is slightly larger, but you'll notice actually that it goes around, it checks to make sure that there's not a better site, and then it will move back and it'll find the position that we want in order to put the gates up afterwards. So we call that a blind step. So having done the pattern rec, we're not measuring that particular point, we're just using it for pattern rec, and then we move over with a blind step, as we call it, which then goes to what we want to measure. Okay, so the job is finished. If we look on the back page, we have all 10 measurements from our 5 sites, X, 5X, 5Y, and the tool now says, okay, wafer can be unloaded, we could do that. If you want to run it again, we can, but otherwise actually we would normally take it off. We can unload it to the pre-aligner, which is easier than at the stage, and it can then be put back in the cassette. Alternatively, it can be loaded up automatically.
Let's look at the data.
You look at the data?
Yeah. Can you kind of talk me through where we're looking at here?
So here we have 2 measurements. That's one for X and one for Y. We go to the second site, we've got X and Y, and then obviously the other 3 sites we have X and Y each. The data can be exported either through a printer or it can be exported through the SexLink, and an external computer with some software on can do data analysis on this and tell your stepper people actually how well they've done.